Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and this is the third in a series of barbecue tips from CountryWoodSmoke. Okay, so I'm going to talk today a little bit about setting up your barbecue and how to set up the coals. So there's two main ways of cooking. You have direct and indirect. With direct, you cook directly above the coals. Indirect, you cook away from the coals. The simplest way of setting this up is a two-zone cooking method where you have your coals on around half to a third of the barbecue area. You never ever use charcoal for the whole area of your barbecue, and that gives you a safe zone. When you use your lid, then your indirect zone becomes a great way of cooking, and you cook like an oven rather than a grill. And this is wonderful. This makes barbecuing amazing. So there's various configurations. You can have two-zone cooking, one side without charcoal, one side with the charcoal. You can have down the middle where you have two charcoal zones either side and a space in the middle that's your safe zone for indirect cooking. Or you can set up the snake, and the snake is a great way of cooking low and slow for a long time. And you basically make a snake of charcoal briquettes, light one end, and round it goes and cooks slowly for a long time, and you put your smoking wood on top and job's a good one. This is a great way of cooking low and slow, 110, 120 degrees C in your barbecue with a lid. So give these ways a try, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I do here, let me know, subscribe and let other people know. Cheers, take care.